Welcome to Tech with L&F. Today, we're diving into the greatest mystery of all, how the universe came from nothing and why it seems perfectly designed to support life. Before the universe existed, there was nothing. No atoms, no energy, not even time. Then, in a moment, everything exploded into existence. Why? The Big Bang had to expand at an incredibly specific speed. A little faster? No galaxies. A little slower? Everything collapses. Yet it expanded with flawless precision. Scientists say the chance of a life-permitting universe appearing by chance is 1 in 10, 120. That's more than all the atoms in the known universe. Physics operates by rules, gravity, electromagnetism, and such as relativity. But laws require a lawgiver. How did these perfect rules come from chaos? Gravity is precisely 10 Hubble times weaker than the strong nuclear force. If it were even slightly stronger or weaker, life would be impossible. The speed of light isn't random, it's exact. Change it, and all of physics breaks. Why does something constant exist in a universe that came from randomness? Earth sits in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold. A few miles closer or farther from the sun, and life couldn't survive. That's not chance. Water behaves strangely. It expands when frozen and has high heat capacity. These coincidences make life possible. Coincidence or code? Too much oxygen, and everything burns. Too little, and we suffocate. Earth's air contains exactly the right amount for life. How does that happen naturally? Earth's magnetic field shields us from deadly solar radiation. Without it, Earth would be a lifeless rock. It's like having a planet-sized force field. The moon is the perfect size and distance to control Earth's tides and stabilize its tilt. Without it, climate would be chaotic. Why is it perfectly placed? Earth's 23.5°4 tilt gives us seasons. A few degrees off would create extreme heat or cold. The tilt allows crops to grow and ecosystems to exist. Our sun is stable, long-lasting, and just the right temperature. Most stars aren't. If our sun were even slightly different, Earth would be uninhabitable. DNA is a 3 billion letter instruction manual found in every cell. Who wrote this code? It carries more information than thousands of books. No natural process creates meaningful code. DNA carries detailed instructions, just like software. But random forces don't write programs. We can't see or touch thoughts, yet they exist. Consciousness doesn't follow physical laws like atoms do. Where does it come from? The universe runs on elegant math, formulas that predict movement, shape, and forces. How does raw energy know math? Left alone, things decay, buildings collapse, machines rust. But the universe organized itself into stars, galaxies, and life? That's not how entropy works. It's as if the universe was waiting for us. Every cosmic constant supports life. Scientists call this the anthropic principle, but that's just a name for a deeper question. They say we got lucky. But how many perfectly balanced systems does it take before it stops looking like luck and starts looking like intention? Every atom, every rule, every planet sends a message. This was made for a reason. It doesn't scream, it whispers. But it's there. If you found a watch in a forest, would you assume I built itself? The universe is far more complex, and yet many believe it built itself. Everything from your heartbeat to the rings of Saturn shows order and purpose. Who had the knowledge and power to create it all? All systems, from black holes to bacteria, follow rules. These aren't random results. They're written by something beyond science. The universe had a beginning, and it will have an end. Anything that begins needs a cause. Nothing begins without something triggering it. Time didn't exist before the Big Bang. That means even time had a starting point. What kind of power exists beyond time? Science explains how things work, but not why they exist. The why is what many avoid. But it's the most important question of all. From DNA to galaxies, the signs are everywhere. The more we study the universe, the more it looks like a deliberate creation, not a random event. Why do most people never question these patterns? Why are we taught not to look beyond science as if the biggest answer is off limits? Belief in a creator isn't blind, it's based on evidence, logic, and reflection. The universe points us somewhere. We just need to look. By every scientific model, this universe shouldn't have happened. But it did. Not by accident, but by intention, by design, by Allah. If this made you question what you thought you knew, subscribe, share, and explore more. The truth is out there, and it starts with looking up.